If you're a coach, consultant, or author, and you feel like you spend more time fighting with tech than actually helping your clients, this might be the most important 90 seconds you watch today. You've got so many different tools. One tool for your website, another for emails, something else for bookings. A CRM you set up once and barely touch. Maybe a funnel builder you're still paying for but never finished. And every day, you're logging in and out of different platforms, copying information between them, trying to make things work together that were never designed to. But here's what's really happening underneath all of that. Leads are inquiring and not getting a reply for hours, sometimes days. People are visiting your website and leaving without a trace. Potential clients are falling through the cracks, not because you're not good at what you do, but because your systems aren't keeping up with your ambition. That's exactly why Sales Master Hub exists. One single platform that replaces everything. Your website, your funnels, your CRM, your email and text marketing, your booking calendar, your automations, your client pipeline. All of it in one place, under one login. And here's where it gets interesting. Sales Master Hub has a built-in AI employee. It responds to your leads instantly, even at 2 a.m. It books appointments for you, it follows up with people who've gone quiet, and it handles the conversations you don't have time for. So while you're coaching a client or writing your next chapter, your business is still working, still responding, still booking. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but I'm not a tech person, that's exactly who this is built for. If you can send an email, you can use Sales Master Hub. And you're never on your own. You get full onboarding, training, and a support team that actually answers. And the cost. You're probably spending over £1,000 a month on separate tools right now. Sales Master Hub replaces all of them for a fraction of that. This isn't another expense, it's the one that eliminates all the others. Here's what I'd suggest. Don't take my word for it. Take our free marketing audit. It takes a couple of minutes, and it'll show you exactly where your business is leaking leads and losing money and precisely how to fix it. No pressure, no hard sell, just clarity on what's working, what's not, and what one platform could change for you.